the sell-off is really hard. It plays with our emotion, but today I want to show you how to spot the bottom with technical analysis that brushes away all emotion. And yes, I'm using the VIX chart here to guide you on how to spot the bottom. Hello, welcome back. My name is Dr. Alex Koh, and here I want to share with you the VIX rejection, how you can spot the bottom. But before you go in there, remember to check out the video I released recently on 5 key charts which I think that we still not recovered yet, and this will emphasize strictly on the VIX. So on the VIX, it's a great chart. It shows the volatility, it shows the sell-off, it shows recovery. So the higher the VIX, the higher the sell-off. As it comes on gradually, it means it's on the recovery, and if the VIX drop below 20 and cruise control mode at 18, 15, 16, then we are in the great bull run again. But for now, we are in a bear market, we are in a correction cycle. So understand that, accept that, and then we can move forward. So what you can see on the VIX here, which I plotted on the 14th of February when I was having dinner, fashion chats with my family, I plotted this chart and I noticed it's a nice VIX rejection, a nice trend line down. As you can see, previous VIX rejection were on this extinguisher symbol. Every time it hits high with a long wick and a very stubby body, it shows good news. The bottom is in. That is a signal for the bottom. But to do so, you have to see where they are. And every time they go to the bottom, you draw a straight trend line down, and it follows the trend line, then we're on the road to recovery, which is great news. That's what I spotted on the 14th February. However, the Ukraine-Russia war broke out and things didn't look nice, and there we go, the broken, and this has been resetted. When it resets, we have to wait again for the next VIX rejection. We have to maybe replot the trend line down again. So now wait for the next VIX rejection. When I say next VIX rejection, meaning they're waiting for fundamental information that diplomacy is resolved in UK and Russia. How long? We don't know. Or interest rates, inflation, recovery. Oil doesn't have to go so high. We have to wait for all this fundamental information. Hard to digest. So therefore, I'm asking you to just look at the VIX rejection. Long wick, if on the day you see the sell-off so aggressively and it triggers to a point where every institution are jumping in to buy, and then the stubby bodies comes down, and that's where people are thinking, guys, that's the bottom, let's go and buy great quality stocks. So if you and me, retail investors, spot for that, be patient, no rush, because we're in a bear market, there's no rush. Wait till the VIX rejection. Even if you don't buy on that day, wait for the trend line down when you draw. You can see if you follow the trend line down, then buy at a comfortable pace. This is where I am. This is where I want to share. And for only final last tip, for those are thinking, Alex, should I sell now? My tip is you only sell now if you want to risk transfer. If you're holding a very damaged, high growth stocks that will not really recover, then perhaps this is the great time to risk transfer to great quality FANG, great quality Teslas, great quality AMD, Nvidia. This is the time to do it. But if you just want to sell on whole cash, it's a bit too late. So wait for the VIX rejection and then buy it. I hope that you find this useful. 3 minutes is up, and hope to see you soon. And my next video is how to spot the tech stocks bottom. So remember to like and subscribe, and you shouldn't miss the video. Thank you. Have a good day.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.